In this video, I want to talk about how you can buy Ethereum on Trading 212. Now, to be able to do this, what you need to do is you need a 212 crypto account, and you can see up here, I have the Invest and the CFD one. You need to have the crypto one, and only some countries are eligible for this one. So if you cannot open up a crypto one, then you can simply not do this. If you can open up a crypto one, you can open it up in here and you can go to your settings here and to your profile and make sure you verify your account. So do that first to check if you can open up a crypto one. Just come in here, go to your settings and verify. That means you need to provide ID, type in your full name and all this stuff. And then after that, you will be able to see if you can open up your crypto account. Now, once you've opened up your crypto account, you will be able to trade all of the cryptos in there. So Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all this sorts of stuff. So that's basically how it works, guys. I hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.